Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the lake checking out a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 210. So we're starting way up here in the bow. So just to give you an idea of the kind of size you have on this 21 footer here, I'm about 6'3" and I've got the ability to sit up and stretch my legs out pretty much all the way to the front of the bow there. And then you've got a couple of compartments underneath all of these seats, as well as a dedicated anchor locker way up here in the bow. You guys take a quick look at that. Also up here in the bow, you got some cup holders on the ground with some courtesy lights, and as well as 2 Fusion speakers. We'll make our way through our center walkthrough, and then you can see you do have some storage on the port side. And then as we make our way into the cockpit, we can take a quick look at the helm. You can see you got that SIMRAD screen, so that's going to have your chart plotter and your Mercury engine management screen. And you got the Fusion stereo system on board this one here. Over here on the port side, you've got an adjustable lounger, so you can rotate this to forward or aft facing, depending on however you want it for the day. And then on the captain's chair over here, you've got an adjustable bolster that goes up and down. As you can see, here in the cockpit, you've got plenty of seating and entertaining space, and that captain's chair will swivel around so you can have a full entertaining space here in the cockpit with plenty of shade from our Bimini top up there. Over here on the walkway, you've got lots of storage, so you got plenty of places to keep your shoes, bags, goodies you don't want to get wet. And then up underneath your sun pad is your 200 horsepower MerCruiser IO. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give me a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.